Greetings, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to TechTip Tuesday. Today, we're unveiling a secret treasure trove, 10 Windows hotkey shortcuts that are about to revolutionize your productivity and efficiency at work. So buckle up and prepare to have your mind blown. First up, we have the Windows key plus D combination. This incredible shortcut instantly minimizes all your open windows and whisks you straight to your desktop. It's the ultimate fast pass for accessing files or shortcuts on your desktop. Coming in at number 2, we have the Alt plus Tab shortcut. This ingenious tool is your secret weapon for switching between open applications. Simply hold the Alt key and tap Tab to cycle through your active windows. It's multitasking made easy. Third on the list is the Windows key plus L shortcut. In a world where security is paramount, this is your quick-fire solution to lock your computer whenever you need to step away. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure your work stays secure. Next, we have the Curl plus Shift plus SC shortcut. This is your lifeline when your computer starts to lag. It opens the Task Manager directly, allowing you to identify and close those pesky, resource-hogging applications. The fifth shortcut is the Windows key plus arrow keys combo. This is an organizational dream, allowing you to snap windows to the left or right for a side-by-side view or maximize them with the up arrow. It's the ultimate tool for keeping your workspace neat and tidy. Now, for the old faithfuls, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus X, and Ctrl plus V. These are your go-to shortcuts for copying, cutting, and pasting. They're universal and can shave off a significant amount of time when handling text or files. Our seventh shortcut is the Windows key plus E. This is your express lane to the File Explorer, allowing you to navigate your files and folders quickly and efficiently. Next up, we have Alt plus F4. This is your one-way ticket to a clutter-free desktop, allowing you to close the active window instantly, whether it's a browser, document, or any other application. Our ninth shortcut involves the Windows key plus a number, 9. This little-known trick allows you to open or switch to the corresponding taskbar item, a huge time saver for accessing frequently used applications. Finally, we have Ctrl plus Z and Ctrl plus Y, the superheroes of undo and redo. These shortcuts can be a real lifesaver when you make a mistake or change your mind. And there you have it, 10 Windows hotkey shortcuts that are set to turbocharge your productivity at work. Try them out and share your favorite in the comments. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep up the productivity.